Good morning, everyone. So today is not a review on leggings, not a review on sports bras, but a review on coffee. A few days ago, I kept hearing a lot about Chamberlin coffee. Don't know why. It was in the back of my head. Emma Chamberlin this, Emma Chamberlin that. Coffee is probably in my own head, but I ordered Chamberlin coffee. It's been out for about, I think, a year or two. She did rebrand it with the animals and all that, the cute little packaging. So I decided to order Chamberlin coffee, roast with love. I did get a few items, but I saved it to today to open it up with you guys. Okay, now that the tsunami warning is done, so what I was saying was I ordered 2 items. I got a coffee and the cold brew packages. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna need to make the cold brew because we only have small cups, so I know I'm gonna have to go out and get something of that. But I just wanted to open it, see what I need, go get it, and then cold brew you steep overnight. If you do it correctly, you're supposed to steep it for like 24 hours, 16 hours. So we're gonna do it correctly so that we can correctly taste the coffee. So I ordered this not even long ago. I ordered this like 5 days ago and it got here right away. It got here on a Sunday. They even delivered it on a Sunday, so that was interesting. Got here like 3 days because she used priority shipping. So I got the Night Owl blend of the coffee. This was the dark roast. I like dark roast. I don't know why. I do like the blonde espresso at Starbucks, but when it comes to just coffee in general, I'm more of a dark roast kind of gal, so I got this one. It was hard to choose, but I just wanted the dark roast. The other animal, I think, is the yellow one. That seems popular, but here we go. And then I got the cold brew with the elephant. So the cold brew, the elephant, has 4 packages. It's an Arabic coffee as well. It says it's a creamy body, dark chocolate, sweet caramel. 5 on the caffeine strength. This one is a 3 on the caffeine strength. I would never notice because I'm used to so much coffee and caffeine and pre-workout, so that doesn't make a difference. These 2 together were only $20 with shipping, $28. I expected it to be a lot more because coffee normally, a bag of beans is normally like $40 if you're getting the good kind that actually has a taste and is grinded and roasted freshly. So the price point is there. Let's see if the taste is there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Everyone, welcome back. It's a new day. Hopefully you can hear me over this rain. I'm gonna shout because it's gotta get done and it's not gonna stop raining anytime soon. So I did let the cold brew soak in my little container that I got at Walmart, as you saw in the clip probably right before this. I didn't follow the directions. You're supposed to put the bag and then put the water, but you know, same. Push the bag down in. And so right now what we have is the cold brew concentrate. So what I'm gonna do is take the bag out. As you can see, it's like all up in there. You're gonna take the bag out, and most people, you probably just take the bag out and flop it in the trash because you think it's gross. No. Actually, like, if you have a sifter or something you can sit on the top, or like a little strainer, let it sit and let the extra, like, concentrate drip out, or you can squeeze it very lightly. Don't break the bag. But you don't want to take all that coffee away. You're just losing a lot, and the bag itself will hold contents of coffee. So don't waste. Make sure you at least try to save the coffee. And then you're gonna add 3 cups of cold water to dilute it, so then we get our actual cold brew. So basically it's like a almost 2-to-1 ratio. You can do the math, but I'm just gonna do a 2-to-1 ratio. So if I take 4 ounces of my concentrate, I'm gonna add 8 ounces of water. Take the number times by 2. Definitely taste the caramel macchiato. I'd say It's a little watered down, but I did put a lot of ice. So maybe I'll add a little bit more cold brew. You can make it more concentrated, less concentrated, whatever your preference is on coffee. But I think I would make my next one a little more concentrated, darker. But overall, the flavor is great. It goes perfectly. It doesn't really have a strong like berry taste or anything. It's a really solid coffee cold brew. Okay, so because I said my cold brew is not that strong and I wanted it stronger, I know if I add the concentrate, it will definitely be what I want it to be. But it's a perfect time to actually try out the owls, because we can use maybe a shot or two, make it a cold brew with a shot, and I do have my espresso machine right here. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It won't really give us the authentic taste by itself, but normally when you add the espresso shot, you should be able to taste it. And because my cold brew isn't that strong, I hopefully will taste it. I have high hopes for this one. I don't expect anything less than the cold brew, so let's try it. I definitely can taste the shot. It did make it stronger. Please excuse the lighting. We have a lamp and there's a big bush covering our thing. And then if you've ever seen a barista, fun fact, fun tip, just so you know, leave your shot like this, sitting at the espresso machine while they go and do other stuff, whether you be at Starbucks, your local coffee shop, someplace new. If your shot has been sitting there for more than 10 seconds, 8 seconds, and it turns completely black like this, it's dead. So if your coffee tastes super bitter, doesn't taste right to you, just ask them to remake it again. Don't call them out on it, but it's dead. So technically, they shouldn't have served it to you. As soon as it comes out, as you can see, there's little, like how it kind of has a gradient. Once it has that gradient, you have to put it to touch ice, touch the flavoring, touch something so that it doesn't die. So coffee by itself, espresso shots tomorrow, weeks. I have a big bag of this. Definitely worth the money, definitely worth the try. Same thing with the cold brew. I would love to try the matcha. Not the biggest matcha fan. I used to be obsessed with that before coffee, so I would love that. I think the overall line of the Chamberlin coffee is really well priced, really well packaged, and it tastes very good. So worth the try, worth the money, worth ordering and trying it out for yourself. If you liked today's video, liked any tips I shared, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite Chamberlin item, your favorite Chamberlin blend, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see future videos with me. See you guys in the next one.